Have you ever pondered the nature of your existence, the consciousness that gives life to your thoughts, dreams, and perceptions? We live in a universe teeming with mystery, a cosmic puzzle that invites us to delve into its enigmatic depths. Our existence, our very consciousness, is one such mystery. It's a profound enigma that has intrigued philosophers, scientists, and spiritual seekers alike for millennia. And it's this very riddle that we are about to unravel today. Picture this: a realm where the linear confines of time and space do not apply, where multiple dimensions coexist, each one a unique manifestation of reality. This is not the stuff of science fiction, but a concept deeply rooted in metaphysical exploration: the multidimensional existence. In this realm, the lives we lead are not singular but manifold, stretching across dimensions like an intricate web. And as we traverse this web, we come to realize that we are not separate entities, but interconnected threads in the grand tapestry of life. This interconnectedness, this profound unity, is the heartbeat of the cosmos, pulsating with the rhythm of existence. Yet as we stand on the precipice of this exploration, we may find ourselves asking, how can we comprehend such concepts? How can we, bound by the physical laws of our three-dimensional world, grasp the idea of a multidimensional existence? The answer lies not in the realm of the physical, but in the realm of the metaphysical, in the realm of consciousness. Our consciousness is not confined by the physical body. It is an intangible essence, a vibrant energy that transcends the boundaries of our physical world. It is through this consciousness that we can tap into the cosmic wisdom and unravel the mysteries of existence. As we dive into the depths of these questions, we find ourselves at the doorstep of a truly extraordinary woman, Dolores Cannon. She has devoted her life to exploring these metaphysical realms, to understanding the nature of consciousness and existence. And it is through her profound insights that we can begin to decipher the cosmic riddle that is our existence. Dolores Cannon, a pioneer in metaphysical exploration, embarked on a journey that transcended the ordinary. This journey led her to become a trailblazer in the realm of the metaphysical, exploring concepts that dared to challenge conventional thought. Dolores was not just a pioneer, she was a relentless seeker of truth. Her quest began with the exploration of hypnotherapy, a tool she used to delve into the subconscious minds of her subjects. But Dolores was not satisfied with just skimming the surface. She ventured deeper, breaking through the barriers of time and space to tap into the cosmic knowledge hidden within the depths of the human psyche. Through countless hypnotherapy sessions, she unveiled extraordinary stories of individuals who had accessed knowledge and wisdom from realms beyond our own. These were not mere fantasies or figments of imagination. They were encounters with multidimensional existence, experiences that transcended the constraints of our physical reality. These stories were not just intriguing, they were transformative, challenging our perception of reality and the nature of existence itself. Dolores was not just uncovering stories, she was revealing a cosmic blueprint, a map that connected all life forms across dimensions and realms. Her work painted a picture of a universe brimming with interconnectedness, where every soul plays a part in the grand tapestry of existence. Each soul, she discovered, had a purpose, a cosmic role to play in the grand scheme of things. But Dolores did not stop at discovery. She sought to understand the purpose of these cosmic connections, to unravel the grand design of the cosmos. Through her work, she explored the intricate web of relationships between souls, unearthing the profound connections that bind us all. Her journey was not a solitary one. She invited us all to join her, to venture beyond the ordinary, and embark on our own odysseys of discovery. She empowered us to tap into the cosmic currents of existence, to explore the boundless realms of consciousness, and to understand our own roles in the cosmic tapestry. Through her work, Cannon uncovered the cosmic purpose of our existence, and the role each soul plays in the grand tapestry of the cosmos. This is the legacy of Dolores Cannon, a legacy that continues to inspire and guide us on our own journeys of exploration and discovery. The teachings of Dolores Cannon are an eye-opening revelation into the nature of reality. Delving into the profound, Cannon's teachings illuminate the existence of parallel dimensions, a concept that might seem otherworldly, yet is deeply intertwined with our perception of reality. She takes us on a journey beyond the three-dimensional world we know, into realms where time is fluid and space is malleable. Cannon's exploration into the mysteries of the cosmos reveals a reality that is far more complex and interconnected than we could ever imagine. She introduces us to the idea of a multidimensional existence, where each dimension is not a separate entity, but rather, they coexist, intertwining and interacting in ways beyond our comprehension. According to Cannon, these dimensions are not just abstract concepts but tangible realities that influence our lives in profound ways. The concept of profound connections is one that resonates deeply in Cannon's teachings. She suggests that every soul is intertwined in a grand cosmic tapestry, where each thread carries its own unique vibration, contributing to the symphony of existence. In this grand scheme, each individual plays a pivotal role, and our actions ripple across the cosmos, influencing and being influenced by the collective consciousness. But perhaps one of the most transformative insights from Cannon's teachings is the understanding that we are not passive observers in this cosmic dance. We are active participants, capable of tuning into higher vibrations, accessing cosmic knowledge, and shaping our own reality. She encourages us to step out of our comfort zones, to question the known, and to explore the boundless realms of cosmic consciousness. Her teachings are not just an exploration, but an invitation to expand your consciousness and embrace a broader perspective on life. They empower us to transcend the ordinary, to harness the cosmic currents of existence, and to unlock the dormant potential within. As we journey with Cannon beyond the confines of our known reality, we are invited to open our minds to the limitless possibilities that await and let the cosmic wisdom be the guiding light on our spiritual journey. Dolores Cannon's wisdom serves as a guide, offering practical tools for personal and spiritual growth. In the vast cosmos of existence, there exists an untapped potential, a dormant power within each of us. Cannon's teachings illuminate a path, a way to awaken this latent potential. She offers practical techniques to attune ourselves to higher vibrations, to resonate with the harmonics of the universe. Imagine a radio scanning through frequencies, seeking a clear signal. Cannon's wisdom helps us fine-tune our internal radios to be in sync with the higher frequencies of the cosmos. Techniques like meditation, mindfulness, and conscious living, she suggests, are ways to calibrate ourselves to these higher vibrations. But this cosmic journey is not without its challenges. We often encounter roadblocks, obstacles that seem insurmountable, yet Cannon's teachings inspire us to view these not as hindrances but as opportunities. They are stepping stones on our path to spiritual growth, each challenge a lesson to be learned, each hurdle a test of our resilience. Cannon's wisdom doesn't just help us navigate around these obstacles, it empowers us to transcend them, to rise above our limitations and to perceive them from a higher vantage point. Just like an eagle soaring high above the mountains, we too can rise above our challenges and view them not as towering peaks, but as mere bumps in our journey. The beauty of Cannon's teachings lies in their simplicity. They are not abstract, esoteric concepts but practical, implementable techniques. They can be integrated into our daily lives, transforming our everyday existence into a constant journey of self-discovery and spiritual evolution. As you immerse yourself in this cosmic journey, prepare to witness a shift in your perception of reality. You'll begin to see the interconnectedness of all things, the cosmic dance of life. You'll start to realize that you're not just a tiny speck in the universe, but an integral part of this grand cosmic tapestry. And with this realization comes a profound sense of purpose, a deeper understanding of your place in the cosmos. So are you ready to embark on this transformative journey? Are you ready to unlock your dormant potential and resonate with the higher frequencies of the cosmos? With Dolores Cannon as your guide, the path ahead is illuminated. Let her wisdom guide you on this journey of self-discovery and spiritual growth. As you immerse yourself in this cosmic journey, prepare to witness a shift in your perception of reality. Are you ready to transcend the ordinary and explore the boundless realms of cosmic consciousness? The journey ahead is an invitation to a mental and spiritual adventure, an expedition into the uncharted territories of the cosmic universe. As you step foot into this vast expanse, remember this is not a journey you embark on alone. Dolores Cannon, with her profound wisdom and cosmic insights, walks alongside you, guiding you through the labyrinth of your own consciousness. In this realm, there are no boundaries, no constraints of time and space. It's a place where everything is interconnected, where every soul contributes to the grand tapestry of the cosmos. Here, you're not just a spectator but an active participant, shaping and being shaped by the cosmic currents of existence. Open your mind to the infinite possibilities that lie ahead. Embrace the wisdom that Cannon imparts. Let it be the catalyst for transformative change in your life. This wisdom is not just theoretical, but practical, offering tools to navigate the challenges of life, to transform obstacles into opportunities, and to transcend the limitations that bind us. The cosmic wisdom Cannon shares encourages personal growth and spiritual awakening. It's an invitation to expand your consciousness, to attune yourself to higher vibrations, and to unlock the dormant potential within. As you delve deeper into this cosmic journey, you might witness a shift in your perception of reality. You might begin to see the world, not as a set of isolated events, but as a symphony of interconnected happenings. The journey ahead might not always be easy. There might be moments of confusion, moments of doubt. But remember, every step you take on this cosmic journey brings you closer to understanding the cosmic purpose of our existence. So, are you ready to embark on this enlightening expedition? To venture into the boundless realms of cosmic consciousness? To explore the mysteries of the universe and unravel the cosmic riddle? Join Dolores Cannon on this enlightening expedition and let the cosmic wisdom be the guiding light on your spiritual journey.